You hang your laundry to dry inside your apartment. Maybe it's raining. Maybe you just don't have a balcony. You go to sleep. The next morning, your throat feels scratchy. Your eyes are dry. You blame the weather. You blame allergies. You blame anything except the thing sitting quietly in the next room. Millions of people report this exact feeling, and scientists have been measuring exactly what's causing it for over a decade. You've just never been told what's actually in the air you're breathing. Look at any bottle of laundry detergent or fabric softener in your home right now. Somewhere on that label, you'll find one word: fragrance or parfum. Legally, in the United States and Canada, that single word can represent dozens, sometimes hundreds, of individual chemicals. Manufacturers don't have to list them. Fragrance formulas are protected as trade secrets. So when you smell that clean linen scent, you have no idea what you're actually inhaling. Researchers at the University of Washington tested 25 everyday scented products, including laundry detergents and dryer sheets. They detected 133 different volatile organic compounds. Some react with ozone in the air to form formaldehyde, a known carcinogen. Why drying indoors makes it worse. Here's what most people don't realize. When you dry laundry outside, those chemicals disperse into open air, diluted, gone within minutes. When you dry the same laundry indoors in a closed room with no airflow, none of that happens. A 2022 peer-reviewed study found that fabric softener-treated clothing released up to 163% more VOCs than fabric washed in plain water. Heat accelerates the release. So a warm, damp t-shirt hanging in your bedroom overnight isn't just drying. It's actively off-gassing chemicals into air that has nowhere to go. And it doesn't stop once the clothes are dry. Those same compounds settle onto your walls, your furniture, your carpet. Then they slowly re-release over hours, sometimes days. Which is exactly why the air can still feel irritating long after the laundry itself is bone dry. Studies measuring dryer vent emissions found detectable VOCs continuing to release for hours after a single load, not minutes. That's hours of exposure in a closed room, long after you've stopped thinking about the laundry at all. And children breathe faster relative to their body weight than adults do. Which means in the same room, breathing the same air, a child is absorbing proportionally more of whatever's floating in it. One national survey of over 1,000 adults found that people specifically linked scented laundry products to headaches, respiratory irritation, and dizziness. You're not imagining it. You're breathing measurable chemistry. Even the natural ones do it. Here's where it gets frustrating. You might think switching to a green or natural detergent solves the problem. The same University of Washington researchers tested that assumption directly. Their conclusion: products marketed as green emitted just as many volatile organic compounds as standard ones, sometimes more. Because natural fragrance is still fragrance, still an undisclosed mixture, still under the same trade secret protection. The packaging changes. The green leaf logo gets added. The chemistry underneath it often doesn't change at all. None of this means every scratchy throat or dry eye has one single cause. Bodies are complicated, but the chemistry here isn't a theory. It's measured, published, and sitting in a laundry basket near you right now. The label says fresh, The lab says something else entirely. Subscribe. New episodes twice a week. The blueprint is already drawn. The question is, are you reading it?